Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks, Futures, and Forex market preview for the back end of the week, beginning Thursday the 11th of February 2021 and Friday the 12th of February. We still have one more week till options expiration. It's been a really boring week, except for we thought we were getting some action today. I'll show you that in a minute, but overall the candles are narrow. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum, and as you can see, really just nothing here. I mean, it's so flat for 4 days. Volume's going to be huge. You'll see it in a few minutes, but it's just, it is what it is. So let's go through the major pairs. Crude oil down 24 cents to 58.44, still near all-time high, or near highs of the year. Gold up $2.20, right? The S&P cash loses $1, 1.35. Still stuck against that risk line from the 13 sell signal. NASDAQ 100 down 31 points. Nobody seems to care about that. SOX up 9.91. It's fine. Biotech's down 45.41. Russell 2000 loses 16.55. The VIX gains 36 cents. Trend closes at 0.84. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.19, but we're going to lose some big numbers shortly, so whatever. NASDAQ volume, so here's the big one. We saw it early. We knew it was heavy. 10.6 billion shares, second highest volume day on the NASDAQ in history, behind the 11.2 billion shares we had back in January. I think it was January 26th, and then a couple days. So we've had some huge volume numbers, and yet then, even with the little move we saw today, you'll see it in a minute, we went nowhere. The S&P down 1. It's really very strange. I mean, obviously, from a historical perspective, we've never seen anything like this. Advance decline ratio in the NASDAQ, negative 377. More stocks down than up. On the New York, plus 45, so more stocks up than down, but by like nothing. Google gains $11.09, near all-time highs. Apple down 62 cents. Netflix gains 4.52. Amazon loses 18.42. Still stuck for 6 months. Tesla down 44.64, getting near lows of the last month. Facebook up $2.42, still stuck for the last 6 months. Zoom gains 97 cents, sitting where it was 6 months ago. No surprise there either. Goldman Sachs up $3.82, approaching highs, which is interesting for a bank stock in the middle of all this. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 99 cents. The Dow was up 61. Bitcoin hit 45,545. That's where it is at the current moment. The put-call ratio closed again low at 0.491. So these are really low numbers on the put-call ratio. In terms of intraday action, though, here's the thing. So we gapped up. We were dead flat for the first almost hour. Then suddenly there was this plunge. There wasn't really any specific news tied to it, which is kind of unusual. So it looks like a good move, and it was starting to act like, oh, maybe we're going to get a drop in the market and we can start to get to work and do some good stuff. And then instead, no, an hour later, who cares? No big deal. Bounce back up, go sideways, eventually came back. We're dead even coming out of lunch, and then that's it. Very, very strange action in the markets overall. So I don't know what to say. The NASDAQ side, okay, nothing there. So it's been very tame from that perspective, and at the end of the day, there's nothing net gained or lost. In terms of economic data left this week here in the U.S., we've got the initial and continuing jobless claims numbers at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday. Mortgage delinquencies after that, natty gas at 10:30. Federal monetary policy report at some point on Thursday. 30-year bond auction at 1. No data Friday at all here in the U.S. And again, we're leading into a 3-day weekend. We are closed on Monday, so Friday is probably going to be light. Next week is options expiration. I mean, it's not been a very exciting week, and there's nothing to do because we are patient traders. That's how we make money. And if there's nothing going on, we're going to sit and wait for it. Charts as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We'll help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday.